Okay. So is
Ma'am,
everybody ready?
yes, Ayush is having the doubt.
Okay, Ayush. Yes, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
You had some doubt.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen. Yesterday, when we were doing revision, when we were revising our thing, that time we had a doubt regarding. We had a discussion regarding opposite of able. Do you remember that? Opposite of able. Disable cannot be the opposite of able. It is only unable, because disable is a person which who has the problem with the body parts. So disable cannot be the opposite of able. I checked through the dictionary yesterday. It is only unable. Is that clear, dear? So now shall we start our Google form test?
Yes, ma'am, and Riddhi is there. Riddhi
Yes,
wants to
ma'am.
answer.
Ma'am,
Do you still have any doubt? Anybody?
ma'am, I have.
Yes, who has the doubt?
Riddhi.
Riddhi? Come on, say.
Ma'am, as Trisha had asked that, do crayon come in
Beta, speak
neuter?
louder, louder. Speak louder, Riddhi.
Ma'am, that
First of all, Twisha, you switch off your mic. Only one person at a time. Yes, Riddhi, tell.
as Trisha asked, the crayon comes in neuter. But how do we know that it is a neuter or common? Like, crayon companies have different names.
Which word you are talking about? Which
Ma'am,
word
she's
you are
Crayon.
talking
talking about?
about crayon. Crayon colors.
It's common, beta. It's common. Okay.
It's
So
common.
here your link is. Please see.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes,
मैम उसमें लिख के आ रहा है कि यू नीड परमिशन
Paranika, I'm not getting you.
मैम देयर इज रिटन दैट यू नीड परमिशन देयर इज
Please
रिटन
tap on the
दैट
link
यू
and
नीड
see whether the paper is there or not.
Okay, ma'am. Swati ma'am, it is written you have to take permission. Swati ma'am, we can't open it.
What I have to do? What
No,
am I
ma'am.
supposed to do?
No, ma'am. I can open.
Yes, ma'am, I can also open.
I can also open.
Okay, those who have opened it, please start doing.
Parnika,
Okay, students, listen. Before you start the exam, I mean this test, have you received yesterday anybody the recording of the yesterday's English classes?
no
Arna,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
have you received your English class recording yesterday in your through your mail?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It was not there, ma'am.
Okay, Karnav, I'm sending it. Arna, please check it, because if I mistake not, you were the first one to attend to enter in the class yesterday. Please check afterwards in your mail.
Swati ma'am, it is not opening.
In the classroom also I have posted.
But ma'am, when
Maybe
we
student
try
is
to
getting
open.
problem. Is there any student getting problem? Is there anybody who cannot open the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Paranika, you cannot open?
Yes, ma'am. Still, some of them they are saying they have a problem. Devosha.
But for some it is opening, for some it is not opening.
Can anybody help out how you have opened it?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Yes.
Ma'am, I know.
Yes, Arna,
Ma'am,
tell.
actually, they are doing on their mother's or father's phone. So if they will open the form, it will come their account. If they will go on their account, then it will be opened by them.
Yes, this Catherine ma'am also told me that if it is from any other account, it will not be opened for them. If only and only it is from student's account, then only it will be opened.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it's my account.
Ma'am, you have to
Sujata ma'am also told me switch
Yes,
off
yes.
your others
Yesterday,
account and
Sujata madam
click
also
on
told
your
the same
account.
thing. It should be only and only your account, not your parents' account. Dhruv Patel, are you getting it or not?
Ma'am, mine is open only.
Then start doing.
Ma'am, the 30 question is repeating.
Who is that?
Ma'am, Vihan.
Huh?
Ma'am, the 30th question, the last question
It is
is.
repeated. It is
Yes,
repeated, beta.
ma'am.
So no problem. Just leave it. I mean, you can attend it one more time.
Yes.
Ma'am, Riddhi is still struggling with this.
Who? Riddhi.
Riddhi. Yes, ma'am.
Riddhi. But then she has to check her accounts.
And Parnika same. She's saying it's her account only, but she's not able to open it.
Pranika, then you have to try it once again. I have sent it through Classroom also. On Classroom also. Please go through that. Yes.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes. Come on, I'm
ma'am,
listening.
saying that in the 11th question, opposite of able is.
Ma'am.
I have written
Just now
unable.
we discussed about it. Just now we discussed about it. Now you cannot ask me this. Just
Ma'am,
now before 2 minutes we had discussed about it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Vihan, 1 minute, Dhairya, 1 minute, Devya Shah, just wait. Vihan, switch off yourself. Yes, Dhairya Shah.
In the 18th question, there is 18th question in that it is wrong. There is the option is not right.
Yes, ma'am, it's saying there is no correct answer.
No correct answer.
Let me check.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in 25th also it is written no answer. 25th.
Do you remember yesterday we had taken whether it is speaking loudly or softly? So for softly, one more word is given there. for softly, one more word is given there in the answer. So remind yesterday's revision and then do it. It is not wrong.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yasha? Okay, Lamma, you are there. Nice to see you. Yes, Devyosha, please.
Ma'am, I can't open the Google form.
Ma'am, ma'am, I know one thing to open Google Form. First, first you have to download Google Doc. That's why.
Ma'am, opposite of able is there is saying it.
Parinika, the same thing had happened with you yesterday.
Ma'am,
Parinika, same thing had happened with you. Huh?
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, first you have to download Google Docs. Excuse me, ma'am.
Beta, you better communicate on chat. Communicate through chat.
Ma'am,
I cannot understand 2-3 people speaking together. Please communicate through chat.
So write 14 over here once. On the right hand side, how many words do we have? 1,
Devyosha, your speaker is on, beta.
4.
ma'am,
The link, Devyosha.
ma'am, I am saying that in the 14th question, the meaning of upset is I have written sad, so it is saying wrong.
Vihan, read the question carefully. What it is in the question, you have to write the opposite. Opposite. What are you saying? What is there in the
Ma'am.
question?
Ma'am, 14th question is the meaning of upset is, so I have written
Okay.
sad.
Okay, the meaning of. Okay. Oh, I thought you are saying.
Listen, for the very first thing, I'm talking about 18th question again. I'm talking about 18th question again. Very first thing, listen properly, everybody. Yesterday, while revising, we had the same question. That time I had asked you that it is speaking softly. So that softly word is in another form. It is given in the answer. The answer is not wrong. You can check. Speaking softly yesterday we had discussed. Remember?
Ma'am, Vihan is asking that in one question, there is a question in which they have to write the meaning of upset. So he is saying that he has written correct, but it is showing wrong.
Okay, then when I will check myself, that time I will change your marks. I will check once again.
Ma'am, when I have answered and submitted now,
Ekansh, chat, communicate with chat. Yes, Rudra, I am answering you. Rudra, do you remember now? Just
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
I
What you
discussed about
said
this
in the
question
starting,
about able
what
opposite
is
Rudra.
the
Remember?
answer that is in the,
So once again, take your answer.
no, ma'am. What you said the starting that it is not the answer. It is only the answer in Google Doc.
Ma'am,
When I will check the paper, that time I shall do the correction. Yes, Khevna?
ma'am, just check.
Dhairya, is your query over? Solved? Is your query solved about 18th question?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I have one more doubt.
Chat communicate. Chat communication. Vihan, switch off your mic.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, give the answers in the chat box because they have so many
Reading
queries.
that. I will do it myself manually. Don't worry about it. This is for everybody. I'm telling that if you have any doubt regarding correct answer, I will be checking it manually and I will be sending you the results. Don't worry. Oh, Lama. And then also you are attending the paper. I'm so happy with you, Lama. Okay, Khush. So be Khush, be happy with 25 marks. Okay, Kansh, I shall check.
Dharya, sit
Ma'am, I not
properly. Dharya, sit properly. You are on the screen.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I not got the marks.
you did not get the marks.
yes, ma'am, it was not showing the mark.
Ma'am, I also.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
How it is
it is
possible
not
for
showing the
others
mark.
they are receiving the marks and not you?
Ma'am, my too. Ma'am, my also.
Anvi, Atharva is a boy. Anvi, Atharva is a boy. Ayush, what is your problem?
Ma'am, when I do the view score, then it was showing that it was not showing the marks, it was only showing the questions which were wrong and which were right.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Right?
Yes,
May I
ma'am,
know
as
whether
well as saying
it's
the
showing the
questions
marks or not?
were right and wrong, no, not the answers.
नहीं. नहीं. मला नाही आवडत.
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am, they are still struggling. Parnika and Devyosha, they are not getting opened it.
Ma'am, may I say why there's not opening?
Devyosha, you will have to contact Prabit sir for that. This is what the solution yesterday Sujata ma'am also gave. Tvisha, doesn't matter. When I will check, I will see.
Prisha, what you are trying to say? How they can open it? Prisha?
Yes, ma'am, in last EVS class also Devyasha had this problem. This is
Okay,
it
Devyosha.
is opened by Google Docs, but she didn't had Google Docs in a laptop, so her Devyasha's was not opening.
Okay, they have to download the Google Docs app. Devyosha, try this. What Prisha is saying.
No, ma'am. In computer, there are before we buy, there is a Google Doc downloaded.
Okay. Everyone has the suggestions.
So with Sujata ma'am, the same thing had happened. Many children had problem. Okay, Kansh, I will take it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, my quiz is done. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, check the 11, 12 and 14. Question.
Time I'm checking.
Ma'am, in 12th question, it is showing that no correct answer.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And in 20 Ma'am, I have already submitted.
Ma'am, I submitted. I
12th
used score.
answer is
So
correct,
the
beta.
11th, sir, ma'am, the 11th one I marked unable. So
11th
right
answer we
answer
had already
is
discussed
disabled.
before. Listen to me. 11th answer was already discussed before the paper could start.
But they are telling that it is showing wrong. What you told the answer, they have
Then I will
corrected.
say,
Ma'am, my quiz is
I have
done.
already told you, beta.
Ma'am, it
Yes,
is
but I
showing.
have already told you that I will check it.
Ma'am, and the
I will
turntable
check
is
your answer.
I marked unable. So it is showing wrong and the right answer is disabled. You said unable
No,
is
you
also
write down whatever
right.
answer is correct you feel. Whatever answer you feel
So I
correct,
have
you write
written
down.
unable and it's showing wrong.
Prisha, don't open this uncover the answer, beta. Please don't show the answer. Whatever it is showing, let
showing
it be. I
wrong.
will check it manually.
And the 12th one is no answer.
Karnav,
No
I will cut
answer
marks
is
from
right.
your paper. Karnav, I will cut marks from your paper. Still, you are discussing the answer and disclosing the answer.
Ma'am, in
Dhairya,
can
I
you leave me
already
alone?
announced that I will check these all papers again. So you need not worry about it. Whatever you feel correct answer, you just click and send. The rest things you rely upon me.
Ma'am, Prisha and Parnika can give the test with others' account, like possible if possible, like someone's friends, because otherwise they will not able to give the this paper.
So then now what to do?
Like if they have friends or others, so that they can use their ID to just for this paper.
Yes, they will have to do that. It is 9:36 and I think almost everybody must have done it.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Then on Wednesday we will have one more like this. Let us see what it comes out.
Okay,
In
ma'am.
the same way we will have one more. It's just a revision like. Okay,
ma'am.
let us see whether it will work or not.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Vivan, I had already told that 30th question is printed twice. See, Monday we have no class. Tuesday will be dictation. And so now Wednesday we will one more time we will have in such way revision. Revision in the same way we will have on Tuesday, Wednesday.
Which chapter, ma'am? Which chapter?
Same thing, beta. Same these two chapters, two poems, and the grammar which is already done. And now in this week we had, you remember, writing, speaking skill also. So I may take your test about speaking skill in writing form. I may take that test also in the coming week. Many topics we have already covered in speaking.
Excuse me, ma'am. Swati, ma'am.
Yes.
It has opened. It has opened.
Yes, Parano, you are. Paranika, I am not getting you.
Okay, she's telling that now it is opening.
Okay, Paranika. Then you may send it later. You do it right now and send it. Everybody must have done it. Okay. Okay, those who have done, submitted, they may enjoy Saturday, Sunday.
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
dear.
Swati, ma'am.